Dan Vandenhurk of Midale, Saskatchewan includes Camelina in his crop rotation. But these days, he and neighbors Ron M.D. and Colin Rosengren are doing much more than just growing this relatively unknown crop. These three farmers have formed a company called Canpresco, which sells Camelina oil under their Three Farmers brand name. Rosengren explains how the idea got started.
When I was at a Ag West Bio conference in Saskatoon, there was a presenter talking about biodiesel and oilseed platforms for creating different special things, and he was talking about Camelina that he had found when looking for a platform and the wonderful traits of Camelina oil, and it just kind of, a light went on with the stage we were at and the crop he was talking about, and we thought we maybe found something that might have a unique fit.
Since Camelina is relatively new to North America, finding the best possible agronomic practices takes time and experience. Results to this point suggest the crop doesn't require large amounts of fertilizer.
It's a fairly good scavenger in nutrients, so it's not a really high input crop. We do crop nutrition planning where we test the soil using the PRS probe, and then we can determine exactly what the right balance of fertility that we need for that field.
These are the Camelina Oil Bottles sold under the Three Farmers brand as cooking oil. Initially, the oil wasn't even approved for human use in North America, but Rosengren's wife was able to gain that approval through her expertise as an epidemiologist.
Didn't have to do trials or anything like that. There was enough literature out there to answer the questions and prove its safe use.
The company struggled initially, leading them to bring in Dan Vandenhurk's Saskatoon-based daughters to market their product. Natasha is Director of Marketing and Sales, while Elysia, a Red Seal chef, is Director of Product Development. She enjoys telling people about the health benefits of Camelina oil.
Originated in Northern European countries, grows really well in Saskatchewan climate, and what it offers is, number one, it is cold pressed, so it is an all natural product. It's in its rawest, most natural form. Very rich in omega-3s, so Camelina has also been known as a wild flax due to a high omega-3 content.
Camelina oil is a versatile and stable product, allowing it to be heated up to 475 degrees Fahrenheit.
Which is a very high smoke point, actually higher than most refined cooking oils, up there with coconut and grapeseed, which are popular cooking oils nowadays, and an 18-month shelf life from press date. You never find that sort of stability with any cold pressed product like an olive oil, let alone an omega-3 supplement oil like a flax or a fish.
When the Three Farmers first started their company, they had a soil scientist as a fourth partner. Even though he is no longer involved, his input was valuable in terms of maximizing the quality of their Camelina.
Ken Greer out of Saskatoon, and he was good on startup, a very good part of the company to have with his understanding as far as soil science and how the fertility of the crop affects the quality of the crop as well. So that was very important to understand that step and make sure that we're doing things right when we grow it to ensure that we have top quality product on the other end.
They've decided to incorporate traceability, which means the identification on each bottle allows customers to go online and find out information such as where the Camelina in the bottle was grown, which farmer grew it, and what farming practices were used. Of course, marketing is an ongoing challenge.
So we're a bit of a higher end product, just a quality product. We sort of pit ourselves against high quality oils like a good quality olive oil in terms of pricing. So we started out selling here in Saskatchewan in specialty stores and health food stores, and then we branched out immediately to Ontario because we needed a larger market. And then we've worked our way back across the prairies and into BC.
Yeah, so we've gotten about probably 125 stores. Just Natasha and myself, like knocking on doors. But we have recently just partnered with a health food distributor, and we're looking into specialty distributors as well in order to expand ourselves in the national market. We want to go more national.
A second focus is the food services industry, where local chefs are giving Camelina oil high marks for flavor and versatility. They will likely need to provide more packaging options to better meet the needs of food service clients. Once they get better established, they may add more products to the Three Farmers brand.
But if we were to do further value add, which we've looked at in the past, doing hummuses and dips and spreads and stuff like that, the The process for that is a little bit more intense. Obviously, you have to worry about shelf life issues, flavor issues. We want to keep our products all natural, so we can't use any preservatives. So that adds an added challenge in there.
The family farm-based Three Farmers operation continues to grow and explore new options. They've added 2 new flavored versions to the original oil, roasted garlic and chili, as well as roasted onion and basil. Right now, they're on track to meet their goal of tripling total sales from the previous year.